Hey guys, let's take a look. Euro USD. So Euro USD has been a kind of a bitch this morning, earlier today, but in the end, it did move where it was supposed to move. But let's take a look at how it has been a little bit tricky today. So this is the 15-minute chart where I had this level from yesterday. It needs to go a little bit lower, and this level that I removed, and this level here is a level from, I believe, ICT mentioned on the 9th of March, so that was there for a while, right? So on the 15-minute chart, things are looking that way, but let's go to the 5 minutes. So in the 5 minutes, earlier this morning, during the Asian session, you can see that it kind of picked through the previous day's high. It came again a little bit here, and then after that it did something that so this is probably what the how the market tricks the retail players. Take a look at this, right? So during the whole day it was actually creating this this wedge, and see what it did during the during New York session. It actually did a false break, and boom, it went up. Did I get a trade here? I actually did, but it's not a good you can't really find a classic OT entry over here. So unless you're doing some, you know that it's going up, right? If you take a look here, you can still see that it's going through all the blue lines. I can say that the only thing that you can think about taking this trade was again the break of the false break of this wedge, reaction to this point, right? But you may not see it as a valid entry. So why did I take the trade here? So sometimes on the 5 minutes you can't see this pattern, so this is ugly here, but on the 15, right, when you get a big bar up and then a small inner bar that is on the upper end of this candle, so usually you get a continuation after that, right? So it went up, and then when it went up, I saw this, I missed this entry here, but when it went up, you see it came down to test back this line. So once I saw it came to test this line, I took a trade, right? So and there it goes. I got about 20 pips on this. So that's a quick analysis of Euro USD this for this trading day. It was not a beautiful entry, but knowing the bias of the day, it was at least I managed to get something. And one more thing to remember, which I'll try to put in my bag of tricks, is how to counter play the retail patterns when you see that this it was not a wedge, right? It was a triangle that's forming. It was compressing. Actually, I was looking at it compress, and I was thinking, oh no, it's going to break one way or another, right? And it went up. Surprise. So there you go. Hope you found this little analysis entertaining and useful. Do subscribe, and do like my video, and we'll see what other interesting thing we can notice from charts going forward. Thank you.